On a photovoltaic cable. It is mainly used in harsh climate for photovoltaic power stations. So it needs to have the following properties: high temperature and cold resistance, UV protection and other features. After irradiation, electron accelerator irradiation process, mechanical properties, aging properties, electrical properties will be significantly improved. Thus increase the service life of photovoltaic cable. Close display of physical objects. Judging by the cut insulation, the wire cord is located in the middle.